welcome to the channel. I'm Marcy Morgan, your host. I bring you tips and tricks and hacks in your personal and business life. If you're anything like me, you might be going, how do I make some friends so I'm not just sitting here scrolling on my phone, right? So today I'm going to talk about 5 tips for making friends after 50. Okay, it's not as daunting as it may seem. Yes, you may be an empty nester. Yes, your kids may now live across the country, but your life has not ended. It is just getting started. But you're going to have to get engaged. So the first thing you're going to do is get a hobby or revisit a hobby. Maybe you were in photography. Maybe you were into art. My great grandmother taught me how to quilt by hand, so I joined a quilt guild, not knowing how to quilt, okay? But I did it, and it took me a year to make my name tag, but I've made a friend that I go to lunch with once a month. I've started meeting other ladies in the group, which is awesome. The second thing I would recommend you do is be friendlier to your neighbors. Wave, say hi, ask about their dog, ask about their kids. Get engaged in your community. Maybe there's a block party. Go to the block party. Find out what's happening in your hood on nextdoor.com. Okay, the tip is volunteer your time for a cause you believe in. Do you believe in animal cruelty and preventing that? The animal shelters would love it if you helped them out, right? Walk the dogs once a week. Post a video or a Facebook picture of the animals. They need volunteers. I'm a volunteer of the Friends of the Library. So we have a book sale. I help out with that. Do things that you believe in and you'll meet like-minded people. This leads me to 4, meetup.com. I've been part of this meetup, and what it is it's an app on your phone or your computer, and it's all across the United States of all these different groups. It could be a drum circle. It could be a pug group. It could be a mom's day out. It could be a grandma's group. It could be a backgammon group. Have been part of Spades group, game night, movie night, social group of our age group. And let's say you're not in a big community, you're in a smaller community. Make one for your area. Guess what? We're not the only 2 that feel this way of like, how do I make friends? I want to go play cards. I want to go do something. I'm tired of sitting here just scrolling through my phone or watching Netflix. I want to get and visit people. So you can join someone else's group or make your own. There is a short, a little fee with it, but I mean, hey, if you can meet some people, why not? And then the 5th way is a self-discovery group. And you're going, what's that? Well, I'm the author of 13 interactive challenges to self-discover and grandparent memories from the heart. And in here is a workbook about different areas to get introspect, to learn more about yourself. And when you're done with the book, you get an autobiographical account of your life. So I have on my website, marcymorgan.com, self-discovery groups. They're going to be small, and you're going to meet people that are like-minded, that are interested in learning more about themselves. It'd be confidential, right? No one will know your last name, and it's only a short time commitment, but you can rejoin if you want. But what it's going to be is what you want to work on. And it's going to force you to get out there and try something new, like go to an organizational meeting or go to a a civic service organization like Rotary or the Lions Club. It's going to get you engaged again, but it's going to be with a group of people that you feel comfortable sharing with, and it'll be private, and it'll be a short-term commitment. And the links below will be there. If you have other tips, please feel free to put those in the comments, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.